Welcome to our channel. Google Pay transforms your phone into a digital wallet for contactless payments. Here's a quick guide to activate Google Pay on your device for secure and convenient transactions. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and search for Google Pay. Download and install the app if it's not already on your device. Step 2. Launch the Google Pay app and sign in with your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, choose the one you want to use for payments. Step 3. Grant the necessary permissions when prompted, including camera access for scanning cards and location services for finding nearby stores. Step 4. Tap the Get Started or Add Payment Method button to begin setting up your payment options. Step 5. Position your credit or debit card within the camera frame when prompted, or manually enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 6. Your bank may require additional verification. This could be a text message with a code, an email confirmation, or a call to your bank to approve the card. Step 7. Once verified, set Google Pay as your default payment app in your phone's settings. This allows you to use contactless payments by simply tapping your phone at checkout. Step 8. Test Google Pay by making a small purchase at a store with contactless payment terminals. Look for the contactless symbol at checkout. Unlock your phone and tap it on the terminal. Your payment should process instantly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.